Alright guys, so the NFL season is back and I could not be more excited. So being the investor type of guy that I am, I have been researching ways to make an investment in the NFL, okay? And so the first thing I come upon was that you cannot buy stock in the NFL. They do not own shares of stock. There's only one team in the NFL that does sell stock, and that is the Green Bay Packers, okay? However, the stock is just used for voting rights, and that's it, okay? It does not gain value, does not pay dividends. So once you buy the stock, that money is spent and you can never sell your shares. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you 4 stocks you can buy that will help you invest in the NFL. Now guys, real quick, if this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any investing and stock market related content. Alright, so the first stock we want to talk about today, guys, is the Boston Beer Company, ticker symbol SAM, okay? Now they have about a 10.5% profit margin. They also run about 11.8% operating margin, which is phenomenal for a beverage company. So, you know, all your Sam Adams and Angry Orchard, several different kinds of brands of beer that they make. But the thing is that they're based out of Boston, okay? Boston, Massachusetts. And ironically enough, that's where the New England Patriots play. So why I think the Boston Beer Company is such a good investment is that just about every year the New England Patriots are favored to either make the Super Bowl or win it, okay? When the Patriots make it really far in the playoffs and get to win Super Bowls, which they're favored to just about every year, is that the Boston Beer Company tends to report better earnings and their revenue goes up. So keep that in mind, is that, you know, New England does tend to get home field advantage a lot throughout the playoffs, which means there's more home games. That also means the city of Boston is out doing more things, partying more, and this company sets to benefit from it. Alright guys, coming in at number 2 is PepsiCo, ticker symbol PEP. Now this company pays a great 3.7% dividend. They also have about a $162 billion market cap. Just about everyone has heard of Pepsi. So Pepsi is one of the NFL's biggest marketing partners. In 2012, they signed a 10-year extension worth $1 billion to further their partnership with the NFL. And so they also make up and own a lot of the brands, the mainstay brands in the NFL, like Gatorade, Frito-Lay, Tropicana, and Quaker Oats. Those are all considered, you know, official brands of the NFL. And also, the partnership helps them run commercials during football games for Pepsi, Doritos, Tostitos, and Gatorade. So, if you're buying shares of Pepsi, just keep in mind there's a huge partnership with the NFL and they stand to benefit from that. Alright, coming in at number 3, guys, is Electronic Arts, ticker symbol EA. Electronic Arts has a super low PE ratio of 22. They also have a very low short percent of float. I think this is a good rock solid investment. But what really makes Electronic Arts a good investment for the NFL is that 65% of their revenue comes from copies of FIFA and Madden every year, okay? They basically have a monopoly on NFL football games and licensing, okay? And you know, the Madden series is the highest selling sports games in the history of America. Madden breaks records year after year, so Electronic Arts is a good company to get into if you want to benefit from sales of Madden. Now coming in at number 4 is Nike, ticker symbol NKE. So Nike has about a $131 billion market cap and they return 26% on equity and investments. So this is a phenomenal company to be invested with. But they also have a partnership with the NFL and they just renewed it in 2018. It runs another 10 years. So all jerseys and sideline apparel will have the Nike swoosh on it, and all official NFL jerseys will also be made by Nike and have the Nike swoosh symbol on it. They collect around 8% of all merchandising sold by the NFL. So Nike is another really good stock to pick up, guys, if you want to have a major play on NFL merchandising. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. That's going to do it for today. Make sure to hit that like button. Leave me a comment if you can think of any other companies that would help you invest in the NFL. And let's have an awesome football season, okay?